Addis Ababa is the capital city of which of these countries? Algeria, Liberia, Albania, Ethiopia. The correct answer is Ethiopia. How many prime numbers are there between 1 and 10? 4, 3, 5, 2. The correct answer is 4. What was the only thing left in Pandora's jar, box? Love, hope, curiosity, truth. The correct answer is hope. Which ocean animal is nicknamed the sea canary? Beluga, orca, dolphin, manatee. The correct answer is beluga. Lam, a traditional wrestling martial art, originated in which country? Tanzania, Tonga, Senegal, Sudan. The correct answer is Senegal. What is a group of penguins called? A waddle, a grumble, an aurora, a stubbornness. The correct answer is a waddle. What is the main gas responsible for the greenhouse effect? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen. The correct answer is carbon dioxide. Who wrote 100 Years of Solitude? Mario Vargas Llosa, Jorge Luis Borges, Isabel Allende, Gabriel Garcia Marquez. The correct answer is Gabriel Garcia Marquez. Mammatus clouds are more commonly seen in which region of the world? Polar regions, tropical regions, desert regions, mountainous regions. The correct answer is tropical regions. In the Braille system, how is a capital letter indicated? A dot before the letter, a larger cell size, underlining the letter, using a different pattern of dots. The correct answer is a dot before the letter. Who first recognized the El Niño phenomenon? Climate scientists, indigenous communities in South America, satellite observations, weather forecasters. The correct answer is indigenous communities in South America. The Pacific Ocean is named after the Latin word pacificus, which means vast, peaceful, mighty, turbulent. The correct answer is peaceful. In which pantheon of gods was her god a member? The Greek pantheon, the Egyptian pantheon, the Canaanite pantheon, the Mesopotamian pantheon. The correct answer is the Canaanite pantheon. Which novel tells the story of Pip's journey to become a gentleman? Great Expectations, Oliver Twist, David Copperfield, Tom Sawyer. The correct answer is Great Expectations. In Greek mythology, who was the Oceanid mother of the river goddess Opus? Eurynome, Metis, Doris, Tessis. The correct answer is Tessis. In which city did Leonardo da Vinci spend most of his life? Venice, Milan, Naples, Rome. The correct answer is Milan. Which famous philosopher was once a follower of Manichaeism? Socrates, Plato, Aristotle, St. Augustine. The correct answer is St. Augustine. The Atlantic Ocean connects to the Indian Ocean through which man-made waterway? Suez Canal, Panama Canal, Kiel Canal, Corinth Canal. The correct answer is Suez Canal. Which Formula One team is known as the Silver Arrows? Mercedes, Ferrari, Red Bull Racing, McLaren. The correct answer is Mercedes. How many base pairs are there in the human genome, approximately? 100,000, 1 million, 3 billion, 10 billion. The correct answer is 3 billion. Emerald belongs to which mineral family? Quartz, corundum, beryl, garnet. The correct answer is beryl. Which gemstone is known for its yellow variety called citrine? Quartz, diamond, topaz, amethyst. The correct answer is quartz. The city of Toulouse is located in which European country? France, Spain, Italy, Belgium. The correct answer is France. Where is Urewera National Park located? Australia, New Zealand, Canada, South Africa. The correct answer is New Zealand. Which actress won back-to-back Best Actress Oscars for the prime of Miss Jean Brodie and The Lion in Winter? Audrey Hepburn, Elizabeth Taylor, Maggie Smith, Katharine Hepburn. The correct answer is Katharine Hepburn. Albrecht Dürer is best known for his mastery in which artistic medium? Painting, sculpture, photography, printmaking. The correct answer is printmaking. What animal is Hello Kitty? Cat, dog, bear, rabbit. The correct answer is cat. How do you say Santa Claus in Spanish? Papa Noel, Kris Kringle, Father Christmas, Sinterklaas. The correct answer is Papa Noel. What kind of tree produces acorns? Birch, maple, oak, pine. The correct answer is oak. In which country are the world's 10 coldest inhabited cities located? Russia, Norway, Mongolia, Switzerland. The correct answer is Russia.